In this video, I'll show you how you can connect Airtable to Base44. So first step, open Integrations tab. And now you can search for Airtable and open it. And from here, you can read through this overview of this integration. You also have some example prompts. So for example, you can create a CRM using live records from your Airtable database. And to be able to use this integration, you need these credentials, so Airtable API key and Airtable base ID. So how you can get this? Go to Airtable and open your project or workspace. Then what you need to do is click on this help button, and from here click on API documentation. Now this is the ID of this base, so you can copy this ID. I'm gonna copy it, go back to Base44 and click on use this integration. And you can paste the base ID here. And next step we need to do is get our Airtable API key. So go back to Airtable. From here, click on your account in top right corner. Click on account. Then from here, as you can see, there is this section called API. So click on go to Developer Hub. Then click on create token. Then click create token again. From here, you can name your key. So test key. You can add scopes here. So let's say create, edit and delete records and see the data in records. And from here, you need to add your workspace. So I'm gonna add my workspace here and then click create token. So this is your token, copy it, go back to Base44 and paste it here. And that's how you can use Airtable in Base44. So now you can start using it. You can discover tables, preview real data and build dashboards. So that's it. That's how we can connect Airtable to Base44. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.